Hi everyone, this is Crystal, and today I have something very special to share with you. So as you may already know, Elise from Feed Your Craft recently opened up an affiliate program with her company so that a few select people can get access to her products a little bit earlier, and then of course have an affiliate link should somebody buy the product after seeing it on their channel or social media or whatever the case may be. I was on Feed Your Craft's design team last year and really enjoyed it. And I have been buying consistently from Elise, so I'm super happy that she was gracious enough to include me in this program. And it also gives me access to the products a little bit earlier so that I can share them with you on release day, which is today. So I have the brand new More Please kit along with the Good Eats stamp set, and I am going to show you all of those things in detail. So let's start with the new kit. So the kit, of course, comes with a stamp set, some ephemera, and then cards. So I am going to open these up very carefully here and show you the cards. So this is a kit designed by In a Creative Bubble for Feed Your Craft. There are 4x6 and 3x4 cards included in the kit. Let's start with the 3x4 cards. So there is this one. It says enjoying good food with good company, details on this date. The back sides of all of them are just a plain grid. There is this one that says delicious, we ate this. Food coma, the best meal. I love this one. Ate this, and then some check marks and things to fill out. Drank this. You can't live a full life on an empty stomach. Let's eat. Just a plain notebook print there for some journaling. Tasty treats. Neighborhood eatery, love this place. Homemade goodness, and food trip. Oh my goodness, eating our way through town. I think I maybe need to do that. That is a great idea. Okay, so those are the 3x4 cards. Here are the 4x6. So let's eat, and on the menu, there's this one, in the mood for food, a yellow stripe, good eats. This one is super cute. So it's little 2x2 squares with coffee and ice cream and spaghetti and tacos and tea and pizza. So you can cut those apart and use them in 2x2 pockets or as embellishments on your page, or you can just leave this as a 4x6 card. Bon appetit. I love that one as well. Okay, so those are the cards. Let's take a look at the ephemera. Oh my goodness, these are so adorable. I can tell already. Oh, there's a little guy in there who doesn't want to come out. Let's see if I can get him. Okay, there we go. Oh, goodness. All right. So let's spread these out and take a look. Good food is everything. Eat local. Yum. Ice cream. Hello, I'm a foodie. Homemade, delicious, another little ice cream, delicious fave meal, more please, some lemonade, fresh, so satisfied, food coma, a little fruit bundle, a little glass with ice in it, another little ice cream cone, let's eat, currently eating, a little drink, summer forever, and comfort food. Those are absolutely adorable. Okay, and then finally, there's the stamp set. So it says, Bon appetit, simply delicious, a taste of perfection, hello, I'm a foodie, more please, super tasty, let's eat, savor every bite, fave treat, I ate this, the best, super fun food adventure, worth the hype, yum, food coma, and then there is a little like plate and fork and knife and spoon, and then these circles that say in the kitchen, incredibly satisfying and fresh and sweet, and then also these tiny little icons, little like starburst and heart icons, super adorable. So that is the More Please kit. To coordinate with that, they also released a stamp set called Good Eats, and this one has all the little icons that you may have seen in the kit, along with a few other ones, which are just so much fun, like the little iced coffee and the French press. Of course, the coffee are the ones that I'm drawn to first. There's also tacos and ice cream and pizza and just super, super cute little things. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Dalgona coffee. Good Eats, Yummy, and On the Menu are also on here. So you can use that, kind of wrap it around the top of a lot of these and create little clusters. And of course, it'll coordinate with this one as well. So that is what I have. There is another stamp set releasing as well. I did not pick up that one. I figured these were enough for me to play with. So as always, I will have these new items linked down below, along with the Feed Your Craft shop in general. It is an affiliate link, which just means if you buy from it, I get a small commission. It doesn't cost you any more. It's not really any different than if you just went to the shop and bought, except that I get a little commission for referring you. Okay, so that is everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here soon.